What if your cells could travel at the speed of light? Imagine the world inside you unraveling in ways your eyes have never seen. As a cell accelerates toward light speed, its reality bends. Time slows inside its nucleus. Mitochondria seem to lag behind, and organelles distort in unimaginable ways. Relativity isn't just math. It is a physical force tearing at life itself. Length contracts along the axis of motion. Your once perfectly round cell becomes a flattened, warped structure. Its membranes stretch, yet at the molecular level, energy builds relentlessly. Energy reaches the point where intermolecular forces are overwhelmed. Covalent bonds snap. Hydrogen bonds shatter. The cell's internal machinery no longer recognizes structure. Order dissolves into a turbulent soup of atoms and subatomic particles. At this speed, even water inside the cell cannot maintain its network. Hydrogen bonds break, creating nanoscale vacuums of chaotic energy. Life as the cell knew it ceases to exist, replaced by a plasma of electrons, protons, and neutrons, a true particle soup. Relativistic mass increase adds another layer of destruction. Organelle inertia resists acceleration differently, creating internal shearing and microscopic compression. The energy cost of motion now dominates all other biological processes. Survival is no longer about metabolism. It is about physics overriding biology. Even a thought experiment of such acceleration reveals why life is impossibly delicate, why cells are tuned to the gentle constants of Earth, not the extremes of the universe.
The cell is gone, not dead, not broken, erased by speed itself. At near light velocity, nothing biological remains. No membranes, no DNA, no memory. What once was a cell has become a storm of particles, moving too fast to cooperate, too energetic to form structure. Electrons no longer orbit. They scatter. Protons and neutrons collide violently, forming transient states that exist for fractions of a second. Information, the true currency of life, is destroyed, not damaged, deleted. In this regime, chemistry no longer applies. The rules that once allowed molecules to fold, enzymes to function, and cells to communicate are replaced by pure relativistic physics. Energy density overwhelms organization. Order cannot exist where momentum dominates everything. Even time itself fractures. From the particle's perspective, internal clocks slow almost to a standstill. To the outside universe, the event is instant annihilation. Life cannot negotiate with relativity. It loses every time. Radiation floods the system. Gamma photons emerge from particle interactions, tearing through what little structure remains. The former cell now behaves more like the interior of a star than a biological system. And this is the ultimate truth. Life is not weak, but precisely tuned. It exists only because the universe allows calm pockets where energy is low, bonds are stable, and time flows gently. Push beyond that window, and existence itself dissolves. Light speed is not a destination. It is a boundary, and biology was never meant to cross it.